Black cumin, also called black seed, black caraway, Roman coriander, kalonji or fennel flower, annual plant of the Ranunculaceae family, grown for its pungent seeds, which are used as a spice and in herbal medicine. Beneficial properties of cumin. Black cumin seeds appear to have anti-ulcer properties against Helicobacter pylori. Black cumin seeds and thymoquinone might partly defend stomach mucosa in rats from acute alcohol-induced mucosal injury, and black cumin oil has considerably reduced the severity of intestinal damage in rats with necrotizing colitis. Health experts consider that black cumin seeds have the capability to treat other strains of bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics, including microbes that cause HIV, staphylococcal, malaria, tuberculosis, influenza, candida, and gonorrhea. Black cumin seeds are used traditionally for the treatment and prevention of kidney stones. Evidence in rats suggests quite powerful anti-kidney stone properties. Black cumin oil was effective against gentamicin kidney toxicity. Seed extract had defensive action against kidney injury, ischemia. Also, black cumin seeds improve memory. It's enough to eat 3 grams of seeds with honey. If it's necessary to eliminate acne or to cope with hair loss, mix cumin with vinegar and apply externally. Also, this mixture can be used for the treatment of migraines and for improving your facial skin color. For this purpose, simply eat a spoonful of the mixture every day.